Even getting away from some of the obvious leg exercises, we incorporate the torso, the shoulders, the abdominals. If I come in here, one of the things I try to explain to my patients is the body's connected. Everything works together. Everything works in a sequence. If my upper body is gonna push the ground away from me, my abdominals have to be strong enough to support that. If my abdominals don't work, I would just do a back extension. But because my abdominals are engaged, my hip flexors, my quads, my hamstrings, my calf, my ankles, my toes, everything is working together, I can keep my body in alignment, relatively rigid and active, and it's a total body workout, even though it's a push-up. People would think push-up is going to be chest and tricep. Of course, that's part of it, but it's also all the rest of the structures. And when we're looking at individuals who are dealing with hip, knee, ankle arthritis, one of the best ways to work around the arthritis without aggravating the arthritis is to keep the joint stable, but activate the muscles around the joint. So what I do with a push-up, I think about keeping my heels down. I think about keeping my quads tight, my knees extended. I feel a stretch through the back of the knee, through the lower leg. As I bring my torso down, what I like about the stairs is it allows me to know, am I just doing an upper body bend? No, I'm bringing my hips forward so my hips touch the step, my quads touch the step, my chest touches the step, and in one motion, I push back. I get 3 points of contact and I push back. And as that becomes too easy, I can back up, I come down, my hips are still touching the step, my knees are straight, my heels do come off the ground, but I still feel a stretch. And then as I'm ready, I can progress it down a little lower. Obviously, we can keep working our way down until we get to a straight, regular on the floor push-up. So these are some of my favorite. It's just a sampling. There's a bunch more exercises you can do if you have access to stairs. One of my other favorites, which we'll talk about in the next video, is just a version of a squat, right? A box squat, a sit to stand exercise where as I come forward, I come up. As I go down, my hips go back, translate my weight posterior. As that gets easier, I can go down to the first step. I come straight up, come straight down. My hips, knees, and ankles are doing the work. There is a ton of stuff. Guys, if you're looking for more tips and tricks like this to stay healthy, stay active as we age, follow the channel. Let me know what you want to know about in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.